Once upon a time there was a small village surrounded by thick forest. In this village lived a young girl named Ima. She loved to play outside and explore, but her favorite place was a quiet, hidden corner of the woods where an old tree stood. This tree wasn't like any other tree in the secret. Its bark was silver and its leaves shimmered like gold in the sunlight. Emma had always been drawn to it, even though she never told anyone about the secret tree. One afternoon, after finishing her quest, Emma decided to visit the tree again. As she walked through tree forest, she noticed something strange. The usual path to the tree seems different, overgrown with vines and covered in moss. She pushed through the thick plants until she finally saw the tree, standing tall and proud as always. But something was different this time. Beneath the tree, Emma found a small door in the ground, hidden by the roots. It was made of wood with tiny silver locks. Emma's heart raced. She had never seen this door before, but she felt like it had always been there, waiting for her. Without thinking twice, Emma kneeled down and touched the door. It opened with a soft creak, revealing a dark staircase leading down into the earth. Emma hesitated for only a moment before she crawled through the door and descended the stairs. At the bottom, she found herself in a small, cozy room. The walls were lined with glowing stones, casting a warm light across the room. In the center was an old wooden table covered with maps, books, and strange objects. On the table sat a small box decorated with sparkling gems. Curious, Emma picked up the box. It was surprisingly light, and when she opened it, she found a beautiful crystal inside. The crystal glowed softly, and Emma felt a warmth in her chest, as if the crystal was alive with magic. Just then, a soft voice echoed through the room. "Welcome, Emma," the voice said kindly. Emma looked around but saw no one. "Who there?" she asked, her voice trembling. "You have found the secret of the tree," the voice replied. "I am the spirit of the forest. This crystal holds the power to protect the forest and its creatures. It has chosen you to be its guardian." Emma's eyes widened. She never imagined that a simple walk in the woods could lead to such an incredible discovery. "The crystal will guide you," the voice continued. "Use its power wisely, and the forest will remain safe for generations to come." Emma held the crystal close, feeling a sense of responsibility and wonder. "I will protect it," she promised. As she made her way back up the stairs, the door closed behind her, and the forest seemed more alive than ever before. Emma knew that the secret tree was not just a magical place, but the heart of the forest, and now it was her job to care for it. From that day on, Emma visited the tree often, using the crystal to keep the forest healthy and safe. She never told anyone about the secret room. But the forest always seems to thank her with every leaf that rustled and every bird that sang. The magical tree had chosen her, and Ima was proud to be its guardian.